as you can see behind me, I have my square body back in the shop. Had to play musical garage this week and basically shift everything to one side of my garage, including Jim's 1972 No Limit Engineering chassis, so that we could have enough room in the shop to work on my truck, because tomorrow they're having an SCCA practice day, and luckily I made the list. I was on a reserve driver slot, but luckily someone backed out, so now I finally will get some more track time with the truck. I've done one SCCA event so far, and I did a C10 Nationals in Fort Worth at Texas Motor Speedway, but first autocross event, my airbox got destroyed from the truck leaning too much. After learning from that, I rebuilt the airbox completely and stiffened the suspension quite a bit in the front and rear. I went with a much stiffer spring, and then at C10 Nationals I burned up an O2 sensor because of another airbox crappy design, which was redesigned for a third time. Now I think the truck is happy, so these practice events are great. You get so much time to actually just be behind the wheel. Normal autocross event, you get 5 or 6 laps with 10 minutes of downtime in between each run. So really looking forward to getting some downtime. So I'm sorry, not downtime, getting some drive time. Get some time behind the wheel. My best friend will be going with me. He's currently building a 68 C10 for similar purpose. Kind of more of a, his will be a little bit more of a streetable version, and he wants to do some autocross stuff with it too, so it'll be cool to have him there. And in this video, we'll just be going through the truck. Nut and bolt check, checking fluids, just doing the basics. I already removed the speaker box and center console to drop a little bit of weight and make more room in the cab. Chris and I, we are not young men, and we both have wives that can cook. So it's nicer to have a little bit of space to move the seats back to be a little bit more comfortable. So that's a huge help to do that. So I think from this point forward, the truck will no longer have a stereo. It's going to be a purpose vehicle only. It's going to see track use. I will drive it on the street, but I won't be doing too many more shows. If I go to a show, it'll be just to hang out with friends, not attempting to actually compete. Was lucky enough to make a top 85 on 2024's C10s in the Park, which is my favorite show, and honestly was one of my goals. So now that I've done that, I'm more than happy with that, and I really just want to kind of concentrate on the driving abilities of the truck and making it better and better. Goals for 2026 will be to finish out Jim's truck, obviously. Should have that moving forward quicker and quicker. And then on this truck, I'd like to do a full cage on it and put in some billet cab mounts from level 7 and just stiffen the truck just a little bit more and possibly change out the rear suspension. Currently running a QA1 setup. Works great, but I really would like to go with the No Limit Engineering rear end. So we'll see. We'll see if that happens. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and y'all have a good one.